How to make your phone speaker louder, and this can be for Android phones or Samsung phones. And today we'll be trying out this app here in particular. This app right here. Okay, so it's with this icon, that's the name of it, and it's from these guys here. There are two versions to it on the Play Store. This is the free version, and once you're all set and ready to go, you're gonna get something like this here. Now, yes, there is going to be ads going in and out between when you try to toggle between certain options. So for example, you have themes and you just got basically these two themes here, and then this ad is going to show up, and then once it's done playing, then it's going to stop, right? So you won't be like interrupted all the time. So for example, like this here. It's a rather very simple app, and it just focuses on increasing the volume. So you got your on and off button here. These percentages are how much it can go past the actual 100%. So it can give you up to 200% boost. And now I got a song playing in the background. I'm gonna bring up the volume of the phone first to max. So you adjust your volume so it won't be too loud on your part here. And then I'll go from 40 to 60 to 80 to max, and you be the judge of that. So here we go. So you can clearly hear a difference in terms of increased volume. The loudness is there for sure, and going from a plus 40 to 80% more to max, that means your volume is double the amount, and you can hear it for yourself. It does get loud, but a bit on the distorted side and quite cracky. And on top of that, you don't want to blast your speakers plus 100% to 200% for a long time, because you can blow your speakers out like that. But hey, if this helped you make an installation decision, and of course it's a free app, if you don't like it, just uninstall it. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it? Like and sub.